Immigrate to Newfoundland and Labrador through an NLPNP, a simple guide looking for a simpler, faster path to Canadian permanent residency. Let me introduce you to one of Canada's most beautiful and immigration-friendly provinces, Newfoundland and Labrador. Today, we'll break down how you can immigrate easily through the Newfoundland and Labrador Provincial Nominee Program, the NLPNP and the Atlantic Immigration Program. Let's get started. Number 1. Why choose Newfoundland and Labrador? First, why should you consider Newfoundland and Labrador? Welcoming communities, known for the friendliest people in Canada. Lower competition, fewer applicants compared to provinces like Ontario or BC. Growing economy, healthcare, tech, education, natural resources, and hospitality sectors are booming. Affordable living, lower cost of housing and living compared to major cities, strong immigration support. The province actively recruits and supports newcomers. Newfoundland and Labrador is not just a place to work, it's a place to build a life. Number 2. What is the NLPNP? The Newfoundland and Labrador Provincial Nominee Program, or NLPNP, is the province's immigration program that nominates skilled workers, international graduates, and entrepreneurs for permanent residency. Official NLPNP website: https://www.gov.nl.com/immigration/move here/NLPNP/. There are several streams, but we'll focus on the easiest and most popular options. Main NLPNP categories: Skilled Workers Stream, Express Entry Skilled Workers Stream, International Graduate Stream. Atlantic Immigration Program AIP. Entrepreneur streams are available too but need investment. Let's dive into each one, starting with the Atlantic Immigration Program, a real game changer. Number 3. Atlantic Immigration Program AIP. The Atlantic Immigration Program, or AIP, is one of the easiest ways to immigrate to Newfoundland and Labrador. It's a federal program, but employers in Newfoundland and Labrador heavily use it to bring international workers. Atlantic Immigration Program requirements: job offer. You must have a full-time, permanent job offer from a designated employer in Newfoundland and Labrador. Work experience: 1 year, 1,560 hours in the last 5 years, any skill level except low-skilled. International graduates from Atlantic Canada schools don't need work experience. Language requirements: CLB5 Canadian language benchmark for most jobs. CLB4 for lower skilled jobs. Education: high school diploma minimum. ECA educational credential assessment if studied outside Canada. Settlement funds: show proof of funds unless you are already in Canada on a valid work permit. Atlantic Immigration Program details: https://www.canada.com/immigration-refugees-citizenship/services/immigrate Canada/Atlantic-immigration-pilot.html. How the AIP process works: find a designated employer in Newfoundland and Labrador. Get a job offer, must be full-time, non-seasonal, and indeterminate, no end date. Employer completes endorsement application. They do this for you. You receive an endorsement certificate. Apply for permanent residence through IRCC. Optionally apply for a work permit to start working while your PR is processed. Through the AIP, you can start working within months and get PR soon after. Number 4. NLPNP Skilled Worker Stream now. What if you already have a job in Newfoundland and Labrador? The Skilled Worker Stream can help you get PR faster. Skilled Worker Stream requirements: job offer or employment, currently working or have a valid job offer from an employer in Newfoundland and Labrador. Work permit: you must have a valid work permit if already working in Canada. Experience: ideally at least 1 year of relevant work experience. Language: CLB5 minimum English or French. Intent to reside: you must intend to live permanently in Newfoundland and Labrador. Already working: already have a job lined up. This stream makes it easy to stay. Number 5. NLPNP Express Entry Skilled Worker Stream. If you are in the Federal Express Entry pool, there's an even faster track. Express Entry Skilled Worker Requirements. Valid Express Entry profile. Must be eligible under FSW, CEC, or FST categories. Job offer, full-time, from a Newfoundland and Labrador employer. Settlement intent, plan to live in Newfoundland and Labrador. Work experience and language, must meet minimum express entry standards TLB7 or higher for FSW. Getting nominated through this stream gives you 600 CRS points, almost guaranteeing a federal PR invitation. Number 6. NLPNP International Graduate Stream. Are you an international student who studied in Canada? Good news, Newfoundland and Labrador makes it easier for you to stay. International Graduate Stream requirements. Graduated from an eligible Canadian institution. Job offer, full-time, permanent from an eligible employer in Newfoundland and Labrador. Work permit, must hold a valid postgraduate work permit PGWP. Field of study match, ideally your job relates to your field of study. Language requirements, CLB5 minimum. This stream makes staying in Canada after studying almost automatic if you plan ahead. Number 7. Step-by-step NLPNP application process. Here's your roadmap to success. Application steps. Secure a job offer from a Newfoundland and Labrador employer. Submit an expression of interest EOI if required for some streams. Receive an invitation to apply from the NLPNP. Prepare and submit your application. Include work experience, education, language tests, proof of funds, etc. Get a provincial nomination. Apply for permanent residency through IRCC using your nomination. IRCC portal for PR applications. https://www.canada.ca/immigration-refugees-citizenship/services/application/account.html. Number 8. Jobs in demand in Newfoundland and Labrador. Wondering what jobs are most in demand? Here's a list. Nurses, physicians, software developers, truck drivers, fish plant workers, construction workers, early childhood educators, engineers, hospitality workers, hotel and restaurant staff. These industries are actively hiring. International workers. Number 9. Important tips for success before you apply. Keep these important tips in mind. Try to find a job offer from a designated employer. Improve your language scores. CLB6 or 7 makes you more competitive. Gather complete documents early. Don't wait until you're invited. Be honest and clear in your application forms. Stay updated. Check for new employer designations and open positions. Newfoundland and Labrador may not be the first place people think of when considering immigration, but it offers one of the smoothest, fastest paths to permanent residency. Through the Atlantic Immigration Program and the NLPNP, your Canadian dream could be closer than you think. Start today. Your future in Newfoundland and Labrador awaits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert immigration videos. See you in Canada!